Let's learn how to divide 300 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why in this case we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. Look that this is the number 0. So we can remove 1 0. Although in this case 0 is less than 2, as we have brought down this number 0 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 300 divided by 2 is equal to 150. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.